Hi, these are the trades that I make daily, and these should not be considered as a financial advice. Today I bought a SPY call calendar spread, 384 call calendar spread. I bought it for $2.80. So my total purchase became $280. And currently it is trading at the close of day it was trading at 271, so I'm on a loss of $9. Similarly, another SPY put calendar spread. So basically this is my strategy, like I'll do put and call together, and that would be a spread, both would be a spread. So here the put calendar spread, I bought it for $350, like $3.50, and currently it is trading at 356 at close of day, and the SPY price is 364.18. So here I'm on a profit of $6. So currently on a total I'm on a loss of $3 at the end of the day. So we'll check it like tomorrow what will happen. I have another Tesla $190 strike price put calendar spread that I bought day before yesterday. So I bought it for 297. So I have a on an average 297. I have a 3 put calendar spread. So currently I'm on a profit of $297. So the opposite, like the hedging on the call calendar spread of $250 Tesla, I did it for 325. So I have a 3 call calendar spread, and right now I'm on a loss of $555. So in total this is gonna be a loss, like it's $200 loss. So we'll wait for tomorrow, like what will happen. Like today's Tesla, they had a result yesterday, so I was betting on that one. That's why I did favored call, but it came up the opposite, and currently I'm on a loss. So we'll wait because 250 call calendar spread, 250 call strike price. The current Tesla is on $206. I have the put calendar spread at 190, and Tesla is currently on 206. So I would expect rather it would go more to put side, and I can cash in the profit on the put side. That's a trade update for the day. Thank you.